is Max, my bird. He's a Conure parrot. And he's kind of a picky eater. So I like to find different things to add to his food. I found a Hemp Trader's hemp seeds. These are whole, unshelled. They've been sterilized so they won't sprout. You can't grow them. So I'm going to use this container that I mix his food in. I'm going to supplement his bird food with some hemp seed. That's about a pound of hemp seed. Then I got his normal bird food that I put in these containers. And I just mix it in. He doesn't like the real parrot food. He'll only eat like, what is this? Small parrot, like cockatiel food is what he likes. He won't eat all the big pieces that comes in that, so it's kind of a waste of money. Looks mostly like hemp seed still. I'm going to add a little more of this. That's a pretty good mix. And I also sometimes like to take, around Christmas time, they have all these mixed nuts, like almonds and walnuts, and these filberts, I think. He tried to hatch one of these once. He thought it was he treated it like an egg for about a month, and he'd sit on it, try to make it hatch. I just take a pair of pliers and, crack some of these. Kind of break them a little bit. He doesn't seem to hate the shells, so I usually just leave the shells with him. And I just break them up small enough for him to enjoy. He likes the almonds quite a bit. I used to use some black sunflower seeds, but the place I was getting them from, it seemed like they were bringing in a lot of moths, more moths than usual, so I quit buying them. So, I just do some of this once in a while. And then I just stir it back up like I did the first time. So I'll probably add a few more of these seeds. I got some right here. And that's how I supplement my bird food with hemp seed.